So the trays come in one of these, so I'm going to see how I go with this, making it. I made a TIE Fighter one already, so we'll see how long it takes me to make the Millennium Falcon.